homesteaders and health nuts. This is a rooster egg, also known as a fart egg. Gotta giggle at that one. So, we all know roosters don't lay eggs, but what happens is the hen will have a piece of tissue, and when it goes through her tract, the body doesn't know the difference, and oh, there it goes, and encapsulates it. So they're fine, your hen's fine. It's just the hen's way of getting confused and thinking it's a yolk when it's actually a piece of tissue. Rooster eggs, fart eggs, fairy eggs. Make sure to like and subscribe.